Hi, I am Jean Larry A. Condor from CIV 247, and this is my explanation about my symbol, Sumfinity. Sumfinity symbol is a combination of two mathematical symbols, which is the summation symbol and the infinity symbol. Summation symbol is typically used to represent the sum of the series of the number, while the infinity symbol is represent a quantity that is boundless or limitless. It is often used to denote concepts such as eternity or infinity. The combination of these two symbols suggests a concept of infinite summation or limitless addition. It could represent the ideas of continuously adding or accumulating something without end. The upward pointing arrows within the summation symbol might symbolize growth, progression, or accumulation over time. Given the mathematical symbolism and the name Sumfinity is visually appealing representation of a mathematical concept that can be interpreted in a various ways. It is the meaning could be specific to the context in which it is used, such as a company, organization, or an individual. As you can see in the Sumfinity logo, it have the infinity because the infinity represent mathematics. Like infinity, math is everywhere, math is all around us. And that is my logo, Sumfinity. Once again, I am G. Larry A. Condor from CIV 247. Ingat!